Few months back, I went on a trip to Loikhai village, which is in Sisipur district, Manipur, and it's for a film shooting called Maha. And in this episode, I'm gonna be sharing my experience which I had there. So watch this video till the end, and it's gonna be fun, bro. The first day, it was raining in the morning, so we decided to wait for the rain to stop. During that time, me and brother Milun spent time by watching Dil Bechara movie, and others were looking at their phone. And this is brother John, the always happy guy chilling with kids in the kitchen.
What's up guys, my name is Jamz and you are watching Jamz Vlogs. Welcome back to the channel. So right now I'm in Loikhai village, which is in Churachandpur district, and yeah, we're now going for film shooting and we're staying here in this house. We're gonna be here for like 1 week, and luckily we got one tower. This tower is call gumma ka wari sana ba duga message gumma chumne phone da message thana ba adu ma ta yai ba duga internet ada ba. So guys, shooting over here. Also okay. Sorry, I can't talk right now. So.
These kids are seeing drone for the first time, so see their reaction, bro.
Nong jure pagi yatre. Ang yon na yon. Wow guys. Wow guys. Wow, wow, wow. This is the most challenging in this jungle. Guys, this is the local umbrella. Day one shooting whatever car to go watching guys, finally made it to the place where we stand. Luckily we have a tower there but no internet. There's network but no internet. So sad, bro. What's up, guys? This is day 2. Bro, she's alive. She's coming to get LuMai, bro. Life without internet is very fine. This is the director, and this is the bed. Come on, bed look, bed look.
I'm not how I look.
Oh, yes, this is also a bad guy. And this is the hero guy. Hero look please, hero look please. Hero look please, hero look. Wow.
After having lunch and taking rest for some time, we decided to get ready for the second day of shooting.
So guys, I'm done getting ready. So let's go. Let's go bro, let's go. Wow, what a beautiful morning. So guys, you talk about so let's ask to Tamilun. Tamilun, where are we going today?
Going into the forest.
Yes. And
Shoot a scene.
Lazarkov is here with us, and now we're gonna go for
Shooting.
yeah. Let's go, bro. Woohoo! So guys, we have to be very careful because it is very nan-mana. That's why. We're still going on. How? How? Please take out. Hey, Kwang Yale. See this, wow, oh guys.
This is the mother and this is the son.
This thing is crazy. So guys, so drone paraga jing ni sapagi matek ma amani. I'm gonna fly now here. So yeah, I wanna check out my drone, so I'm gonna off this camera. So bye bye.
So after taking some drone shots and filming with the kids and killing some naughty leads, and after nailing some shots, we return back to the place where we stay happily. After we reached home, a lot of kids were coming to have fun with us, so we enjoyed with them till sunset. We were playing volleyball at first, but then after some moments it turns into football.
Yes! 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 Pass, pass! Allez!
By the way guys, Loikhai is a small village in Sisipur, sitting at the top side of a mountain with a tribe called Kuki and a population of about 40 plus houses living a peaceful life.
Hꯧzik changa tu yebo ko je changa to udang ai aduga hojik koi church ta chanaba tawi so let's go.
Church kaba halae aduna hojik pung ni kon makai tare ko hojik nungdam gi sin khra wan le duna hojik akhoi chlani kaprani.
So guys, akhoi hojik chat pa hore ne mai thara ga ne moi se ko mai tik pa sa do ne ko adugi sin nam nai ni sidana
This is it from this episode. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, keep chilling, keep enjoying, and do not forget to subscribe, bro. It's free.